Hey guys, this is 93 here, and today I'll be showing you how to get a joystick for Pokemon Go. So first, you need to go to your settings section, and then go to About Phone, and then click on bill number 7 times to access developer options. Just so you know, I'm doing this hack on Android 6.0, and this hack won't work on lower versions of 6.0, okay? Then, you need to go to Fly GPS 4.0.5, and then you need to click on this one here, and it should say download APK. Don't download Play Store because it's not on Play Store anymore, okay? Because I've already got downloaded it. Let me show you. So then you could type in like a location, like for example San Francisco. Why not? See, I've teleported to the US. You can also teleport to use the coordinate searches using a latitude and then longitude. So let me get started. Okay, there. So you need to click on please select menu, go on GPS service one, and then location mode Pokemon. Now open your Pokemon Go,